That's how long I spent waking up, logging in, and climbing the corporate ladder at Capgemini Pune office. Life was comfortable, the paycheck was hitting every month. Even my parents were happy, but deep down, I was not happy in creating someone else's dream instead of my own. Fast forward today, the job is completely gone, and recently I have made 25,000 US dollars on a platform which a lot of people are not using. Also, there are many people who haven't heard about that platform. Look, it is not a type of video, drop out of college and buy a Lamborghini. No. It is totally unfiltered video in which I will share my journey, that how I became a full-time agency owner from a full-time employee. I will share my complete journey, the mistake I have done, the path I have followed, and how I left the job. So listen, if you are a student or if you are an employee working 9 to 5 and you want to escape that and you have to start your own agency, then this video is for you, and please watch this video till the end. So let's dive in. So let's start from the beginning. Pune, Capgemini. Honestly, I do not regret those 6 years. Why? Let me explain you. In that company, a lot of employees were just waiting for 6 p.m. and they just log off from their laptop and just go for their nightlife. But on the other hand, I was just saying that how the company is working, how manager is handling their team, how the company is dealing with the client, and how to build SOPs. By the way, SOP is just a fancy term of creating documents and running the business on autopilot. But here is the biggest lesson I have learned, and you should also note it. The client is everything. A business without a client is nothing. If your client is happy, your business will grow. But if your client is not happy, then you cannot grow your business and your business will just become an expensive hobby for you. So, while working 9 to 5, my other time belongs to Fiverr. I didn't do it alone initially. I teamed up with my partner and together we create websites for clients and we deliver it via Fiverr. We started making decent money. In fact, our freelancing amount is now getting stable and it was covering all my basic needs. So I took the hardest decision of my life, quitting the job. No more safety nets. I have to quit my job so that I can give my 100% focus to the freelancing business. But once the things start looking amazing, reality hits. The partnerships are not easy, they are tough. Our vision were not matching and we broke up. I was on my own. On top of that, Fiverr was getting very frustrated for me. Now don't get me wrong, I know it is one of the best platforms for freelancing, but the commission rates are very high. On top of that, they are having very strict rules. It feels like the platform is pushing the stupid algorithms for us to follow instead of the quality work that we have to deliver to the client. So I was stuck again. Hey guys, I'm sorry for disturbing, but here you can see that I have bought this Think Center PC and here I have just set up the OpenCloud and the Cloud Code, and the system I'm using is Linux Ubuntu. It is not a Mac Mini or it is not a Mac Studio. It is a very cheap laptop. So please hit the subscribe button because in future I will just upload the video that how I have created this PC and how it is working for me 24/7. And guys, literally these systems are working for me 24/7 and they are helping me a lot in growing my business. So please hit that subscribe button. Now back to the video. Right when I was looking for an escape from Contra heavy commission, I stumbled upon a platform called Contra, and honestly it was love at first sight. Contra is the US based platform and it is easily one of the best things that happened to the freelancer economy. Why? Let me explain you. First, zero commission. What you earn is what you keep. No 20% commission like Fiverr. Number second, premium clients. You are dealing with high budget, serious premium clients from the US. Yes, most of the clients you will get on this platform are from United States and they are happy to pay a good amount if you are providing them a quality. And the third thing I like about this platform is their cool UI UX. Now this is not an outdated platform just like an old UI UX that you cannot contact outside of that particular platform or you are not allowed to share your number. There are no stupid things. The UI is really cool and there are no limitations. If you want, you can just share your phone number. If you want, you can just share your email, and it's totally up to you. You can share anything, they are totally fine. But I had a problem. I was starting on a platform from zero. So here is the exact step that I have followed, and guys, please note down the step or save this video for later because it will literally help you if you are starting a freelancing. So what I have done, I will explain you in steps. Step 1, the migration. I didn't wait for clients to reach out to me. I just started migrating my clients from Fiverr to Contra. Because Contra is zero commission, from my Fiverr clients also, I have started making more money. Step second, the sandbox phase. Now, while I was working for my Fiverr clients on Contra, I was literally spending my each hour on Contra, and like I was learning their whole system, like what are their algorithms, how this platform works, and I was optimizing my profile according to that. Step third, hunting jobs. Now, once my profile is completed, once I have uploaded my portfolio, I have started applying on job. And guys, please do not get confused with the job, because like job is basically known as the projects in Contra. So the projects that you get on Contra, the Contra will refer it as a job. But let's keep the thing 100% clear. See, there is no doubt that Contra is one of the best platform, and like it is number one platform. But on the other side, it is very difficult to earn money because it is one of the best platform. So the world best freelancers are here, and indirectly they are your competitors. It means the people who are having the experience of more than 20 years are also there in these platforms, and they are also hunting for clients. So by this, it is very difficult for a starter to get projects here, and literally you have to work very hard to create your portfolio here. See, now if you are serious in freelancing and if you have to start on Contra, the journey is not easy. For me also, like the journey was not easy. You have to literally work hard, and you have to create the portfolio that is best for you. No generic proposal, no copy paste, no basic WordPress themes. You have to be 100% customized. You have to create a unique portfolio that's look high quality. I have also got many rejection. At starting, my portfolio was not perfect. I have also worked slowly and slowly. I have also worked very hard and have completed my portfolio. Coming to today, I'm not chasing clients anymore as of now. See, now from Contra, I have got clients that are paying me on monthly basis, and I'm working for them on monthly basis. And see, I'm not the type of person who just want more and more projects. Now I'm getting a decent amount, and I'm happy with that clients. So what I'm doing is I'm just working with them, and I'm improving my quality over the months. Because if you will keep your clients happy, then only they will be happy to pay you. And recently, I have also completed a 25,000 US dollars on Contra. Now, for some people, it is not a big amount, but like for me, it is a big amount. So, it has validated all my single sleepless night in Pune that I was giving to Fiverr. So this was my journey till now, and guys, please subscribe to my channel, because in the upcoming videos I will explain from starting that how you can start earning money, or like how you can start freelancing or your own agency. Whether you are a student, or like you are doing a 9 to 5 job, and like you have to start a side income, or like you have to start your own business, please subscribe to my channel, because in future I will definitely upload videos related to that. So if you are here till now, thank you for listening my complete story, and I hope that now you have got some motivation and you will start working for your own freelancing journey. So thank you again, and have a nice day, and please do not forget to hit the like button and hit the subscribe button for more amazing videos.